to Yash Technologies. Yash, a global partner of Actuate, has revolutionized the way companies do business today. We understand and provide our clients with scalable solutions which empower their diverse use bases with enterprise information delivered in a secure, timely, and cost-effective way. This video will help you understand how we can help you in achieving your enterprise reporting initiatives from SAP R3 using Actuate or Eclipse BIRT. Yash, being a partner of both Actuate and SAP, understands your need better than anyone else. Let us understand the need for a connector. Companies make tremendous investment setting up SAP Business, which store a wealth of their information, but many of them fail to make much out of their investment on SAP R3, as the data is neither easily accessible nor is in a comprehensible format. There is no off-the-shelf connector in the market which provides an easy-to-use graphical user interface which enables access to the SAP R3 business layer. To access SAP R3 using third-party tools like Actuate or Eclipse BIRT, we need a connector which can seamlessly integrate the two and provide an easy-to-use graphical user interface for data retrieval and data visualization. Now, with the help of connector, you can easily access the SAP R3 data to get the business answers you need. Hence, the connector is as it is meant to be, simple and ready to use. Let's understand more what SAP R3 Connector for BIRT is. SAP R3 Connector for BIRT is an innovative plugin that allows Actuate or Eclipse BIRT platform to integrate seamlessly with SAP R3 systems. The connector leverages the extensible and rich reporting features of BIRT to develop reports against SAP R3. It provides a simple, familiar GUI to assist users to view and access SAP business layers. The solution provides organizations with the ability to create a variety of reports by accessing SAP and non-SAP data, thereby enabling efficient, powerful, and quick strategic decision support. With these features, the connector enhances the agility of your organization, helps reduce maintenance cost and effort, providing a familiar GUI thus generating efficiencies and cost saving. Let's quickly see how SAP R3 Connector for BIRT works. SAP R3 Connector for BIRT comprises of a set of core Java classes provided by BIRT framework. Each class performs a set of activities like initiating a connection, creating graphical user interface for R3 metadata and dataset creation, and result set handling, etc. They help in connecting seamlessly to the SAP R3 system through the SAP Java connector and enables access to all the available BAPIs in the BAPI repository. The seamless integration between BIRT and SAP R3 system through SAP R3 Connector enables users to easily create queries and access SAP R3 data. Now, let's see a fleeting demo of Yash SAP R3 Connector for BIRT. Open the BIRT report designer and create a new report design. Now, let's create a report project accessing the SAP R3 system. Click on File menu and choose New, then a sub-option, Project. This would result in a pop-up window wherein you choose the Business Intelligence and Reporting option and select Report Project, choose Next, and name the project as Sample Project and then select Finish. Next, we need to create a blank report wherein would populate the data from SAP R3 system. Right-click Sample Project, click on Sub-option, New, and then choose Report. For the demo purpose, we have named the file as Sample Design. Then, click on Next and select the sub-option as Blank Report. Then choose Finish. In the Data Explorer, right-click on the data sources and choose New Data Source. On the new data source, select SAP R3 data source. In data source name, type a name for the data source. The name must be unique in the current report. Choose Next. SAP R3 data source profile shows the connection properties. Enter values for SAP server, username, password, client ID, language, system number. To ensure that the connection information is correct, choose Test Connection. If test connection returns an error, repeat the preceding steps to correct the error. Then, test the connection again. Choose Finish. The new SAP R3 data source appears under Data Sources in Data Explorer. To create a data set in Data Explorer, right-click Datasets, then choose New Dataset. Select Next. New SAP R3 dataset window appears. This window displays all the BAPI residing in SAP R3 system. Click on a BAPI group. Let's choose a BAPI under AB Claim group. To explore the components of BAPI group of AB Claim, choose BAPI Create. On the right-hand side window, you'll get the information of the selected BAPI, like whether the BAPI is released, whether the BAPI is obsolete. The icon will provide information about the BAPI. The parameters listed in the windows are classified as structure, table, and scalar. The icon shown indicates structure, then icon represents table, and the last icon represents scalar. On the side window, the documentation icon provided will give you specific information about the particular parameter, and the structure definition icon will provide complete fields information about the table or structure parameters. BAPI group from SAP R3 system are arranged alphabetical, or you can even search a particular BAPI in the search tab. Now, let's create a report by randomly selecting a BAPI group. For the demo purpose, we have selected ZFI demo group, under which select ZBAPI data 1. Selecting BAPI, that is ZBAPI data 1, would populate the associated parameters. Now, we need to select the BAPI using the checkbox provided. Choose Details tab, wherein the parameters classified as per their categories are listed. These categories are Import Parameter, Export Parameter, Import-Export Parameter. You can gain more information about the type of parameter by expanding each of the categories. Under Import Parameter, select Year Parameter using checkbox. Doing this step implies choosing the BAPI input parameter, which maps to the report parameter. In order to select primary result, set for BIRT report, select IT Final 1. Choose the checkbox provided, and accordingly, context message changes. Choose Finish. The output columns and their data types are displayed in Edit Dataset window. Click Preview Results to view the results written by the BAPI. Click OK to save the dataset. In BIRT, a simple report can be created by just dragging and dropping the dataset on the layout window as shown. To run the report, click on View Report in web browser, which will execute the query and displays the output as shown. This displays the report we intended to design. It is this simple to create a report using SAP R3 Connector. Close the web viewer. Let's talk about few benefits of the connector. SAP R3 Connector for BIRT is platform independent. It works on operating systems like Windows, Linux, and Solaris. The connector provides simplified connectivity to access the BAPIs available in the SAP R3 system. The GUI is similar to BIRT GUI, so that any user familiar with BIRT development environment can easily work with SAP R3 Connector for Actuate or Eclipse BIRT. It provides a flexibility to view and select the required table or structure parameters available in BAPI as a primary data set. All the labels can be localized to different languages as required. It provides seamless integration to SAP R3 system. No additional configuration is required. SAP R3 Connector for BIRT displays real-time data, so the business users can be assured of the insights that they draw are real-time and not historical. With the help of SAP R3 Connector for BIRT, the data can be previewed visually before actually designing any report, thereby avoiding the need of recreating queries. Let's see the prerequisites for the connector. SAP R3 Connector for Actuate or Eclipse BIRT works on any systems which meet the mentioned requirements. So, how does your organization leverage the benefits? It leverages the benefits by reporting that delivers real-time business insight, dashboards that access SAP R3 data to create on-demand reports and reports on the fly, flexible, need-based business transaction reports to manage dynamic situations. If you need more information on the connector, please send a mail to info@yash.com or visit our website www.yash.com/actuate. We thank you for your time.